So I had the opportunity to see Josh speak over the last 2 days. And what really impressed me about him was that he came from his heart. His passion is really about helping you to find, not only find great jewelry, but really to find a legacy or to leave a legacy for your family. And so when you think about the opportunities that he's going to present, I want you to go into your heart, and I want you to think about your family, and I want you to think about what you want to leave them. And he is so committed to making sure that not only are you not ripped off, by the way, but that you have the best quality that your money and your investment can buy. And so if you have an opportunity to reach him, to see him, to learn from his knowledge and his commitment, I would highly encourage you to take advantage of it. Thank you for sharing your gift with me.